I've always been an early adopter for classroom technology just because I know how much it can help. And the things that I had been using previously just were not working the way that I wanted them to. I needed more flexibility. I needed the ability to assign things at different times for different people, that sort of thing. I just started using it just for normal questions embedded in PowerPoints, and then started using some of the other features to really create more of a blended learning system. The flexibility piece really came to light during the beginning stages of the pandemic. I was not stressing because I already had it on Top Hat. All I had to do was just switch a couple links, change a couple things, and then I was done. The students pick it up fairly quickly. Always get an initial bit of resistance ahead of time, but then once they get used to it, my students often remind me, hey, you didn't put attendance up, you know? Or can you reopen this for me? And they know what to ask for and how to ask for it. The courses that I teach require a lot of thought that may not necessarily be things where students are going to agree with my perspective, and I'm totally fine with that. In fact, I want them to challenge me. We have many different aspects of our job, and for me, the teaching is most important, no matter what.